Hello to all the nail baby dolls out there and to my nail sisters. This is Rhonda McCarthy, and welcome to the International Institute of Nail Technology. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a chevron design with acrylic powder. So first and foremost, I want you to take note that the acrylic bead that I'm using is a really big bead. This is going to make it much easier for you to apply your acrylic in one sweep and then go ahead and cut out the chevron shape with your X-Acto knife or your razor blade. So right here, I want you to be aware that the shape that you're making at the bottom, you don't have to be really super careful about how you shape the bottom, because you are going to take your X-Acto knife or razor blade and tighten up that shape. So at this point, you don't have to do a whole lot to this, because you are going to take your abrasive file and you're going to use it to shape that V shape, that chevron shape, really crisp. So don't worry about nitpicking over the shape of it at this point. Okay, so now right here at this point is a good place for you to notice how I'm holding my abrasive file. I'm not leaning it flat. I'm rising it up, like standing up at attention against that line, so that I can get a nice crisp shape from the acrylic that's already on the nail. So when you go to put your chevron shape at the bottom, don't worry about the line and getting that perfect. You can actually be kind of messy if you need to be, because you're going to use your abrasive file to make that line where the two colors meet, you're going to make that line really crisp with your abrasive file. So don't overwork it.